How to fix unable to start the Office error code 147. We could not open Microsoft Office. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are trying to open the startup Office or the Office startup and is unable to, here are some of the solutions. To get started with, open your control panel and then search for Program and Features. Under Program and Features, search for Microsoft Office and right click on it. Or you could just click on the Change option which is on the nav bar. Once you tap on it, it will ask you for the administrative permission and privileges. Then you'll get two options to repair. The first one is offline method for the quick fixes and the next one is online. First of all, you can start up by quick repair and click on yes. This might take a while, so you have to wait until it is completed. While it is done, let's move on to the next method. For this, you have to open Services. Open Services by searching it on the search bar and then go to Microsoft Office. Then right-click on it and go to its properties. Click on the startup type and choose as automatic. Click on Apply and then on OK. After this, you can close the services and go to the same location as before, which is for the quick fixes. Now, instead of quick fixes, you can click on online fixes as well. But for this, you have to make sure that the previous process has been completed. Once this is done, you can definitely fix the issue and get back access to the Microsoft Office. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.